Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my favorite makeup so far from 2025. This makeup is mind-blowing. I have some really great eyeliner that I'm excited to share with you, especially if you have hooded eyes or if you suck at eyeliner. I have the best eyeliner to show you. These are like my go-to everyday favorites that I love to wear. If you want to see how I went from this to this, stay tuned, hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started.
You be saying no, no, then saying yes, 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 cause you're messing with your head. Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho.
Hey lovelies, I'm starting off by using this Holy Hydration by e.l.f. to moisturize my face. I don't want my makeup going on my dry skin, so I love to start with that. I also love to put this Laneige Berry Boost lip balm on my lips just to marinate while I'm getting my makeup ready. I hate dry lips. Now I'm using the Milk primer. The primer just creates that barrier so that your makeup is not sinking into your skin. Instead, it is going on top of the barrier, which is the primer here. So I'm just slathering that all over my face and my neck. Now I'm using this Unbelieva Brow by L'Oreal, and oh my goodness, you guys, when I say this is my favorite laminating brow gel, like that is an understatement. It is so good. So first you apply the brow gel, then you turn over the spoolie, and then you just trace out your brows, like so easy, so much faster than using a pencil. This just gives you that ombre effect brow. I'm really into this lately, and my brows have never looked better. Flipping over that spoolie and just blending that gel into my brows so it looks nice and natural. Ta-da! Brows are done. Now I'm just wetting my beauty blender with this Milk Hydro Setting Spray, just getting it nice and damp before applying my foundation onto it. I'm using this Amazonian Clay by Tarte foundation in the shade Medium. And it really is like one size fits all, like either you're light, medium, or dark, and it just blends in with your own skin tone so well, and it gives you that nice dewy finish, and it doesn't leave any streaks or any patch marks or anything like that. This is my favorite foundation ever to use. It just blends in so well. Moving on to the best concealer ever by Benefit. This is the Cakeless Boing Concealer. It really is the best. And I put that all underneath my eyes and on top of my eyelids to give myself a nice primer for the eyeshadow coming up next. And I just take a little sponge and blend that all into my eyelid. Now I'm going to carve out my eyebrows with that same concealer we just used by Benefit. This is the Sam Barnes eyebrow carving brush or eyeliner brush. And I'm just applying that to underneath my brows, and this just really makes them a huge difference. If you guys have not tried this, you need to. It really makes such a big difference in making your eyebrows look so much more microbladed and perfect, in my opinion. Now look how much better that looks that we've carved out underneath the brows. And now I'm just setting that concealer with this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Natural. Mine is the shade Medium Plus. I will be linking all these down below, by the way. This just really brightens up underneath my eyes and acts as a good first eyeshadow kind of base. I'm also using this blurring setting powder by Makeup by Mario, and this is just because before we do our eyeshadow, I'm going to place this all underneath my eyes so that if my eyeshadow has any kind of fallout or spillage, it's just going to be super easy to sweep off and not get stuck on like the concealer or foundation. Now I'm going with this Urban Decay. This is the 24/7 Glide On eyeliner, and I'm just doing my waterlines here, top and bottom. I never used to do this before, but it makes such a huge difference. Now going in with my absolute favorite eyeshadow palette. This is the new Nudes by Huda Beauty. Oh my goodness, you guys. There are shimmer shades in here. There are beautiful rosy, pink, purple colors. Everything blends in so well together. So you can really get creative and just kind of do your own look, which colors you think would look best. So basically all I'm doing is taking the shade Teddy and blending it into my upper crease and outer V corner. Now I'm going in with a more tapered brush and just taking the shade Raw, and I'm just going to go over that crease blend that we just did just to give it some more depth. Super easy since we already put that MAC mineralized skin finish as the base. Now I'm taking a smudge brush and going to blend underneath my eyes with this shade Raw. Now for the fun part, I'm going in with some NYX Glitter Primer, just putting some on my finger. I put a little bit too much, but yeah, don't do what I did. And just blending that all over the center of my eyelid for that halo effect. Then I'm gonna be taking this amazing shade Wild West by Beauty Creations, and I'm just gonna be placing that on my finger and just dabbing it on top of that NYX glitter. And I'm gonna be doing this a bunch of times until I'm satisfied with the amount of sparkle, because holy moly, this is insanely sparkly and I'm easily distracted by shiny things. Now picking up my blending brush again with the shade Teddy and just blending on top of that glitter shadow just to make it blend nice and seamlessly, no harsh lines. Now I'm curling my eyelashes. You know, I never used to curl my lashes before, but it definitely makes such a huge difference. So don't skip this step. And your lashes look so beautiful with this MAC Blackstack Mascara. The wand is gigantic. It's just one coat of this and it really makes your lashes pop. This Dior palette is absolutely amazing. You have your bronzers, your blush, your highlights in it. So I'm just taking a thin brush just like this and going to carve out my jawline just to make it look really, really snatched. It really works and I highly recommend that you guys try it if you guys haven't already. And I'm just going to continue with my contour, just taking both the shades of brown there and just doing my bronzer above my forehead, kind of like in a 3. Forehead, cheeks, and then jawline to blend it in. Now I'm taking a Makeup by Mario blush brush and I'm going to the apple of my cheeks and then just taking whatever's left on the brush over my nose, kind of like a ski mask. Makes it look really cute. Taking this super beautiful white highlight color, just patting it on my nose. You can even do this in your inner corner of your eye as well if you like, just to give some extra shine. Taking my favorite lip liner pencil ever. You cannot convince me otherwise. This is the Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. It honestly just makes your lips look so much bigger and fuller, creamier, and yeah, it's a really creamy lipstick, and it's just beautiful rosy pink. Taking this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna lip gloss in the shade Fussy, which is the best lip gloss ever in my opinion. Let me know if you guys agree. Now this is the new Wet n Wild black liquid eyeliner. The tip is so small, so it's great if you have hooded eyes because you can really get that perfect wing. Don't have to worry about smudging. It's so easy. If you make a mistake, you can just correct it. And I absolutely love this liquid eyeliner for first time eyeliner beginners or just making that perfect flawless wing.
So someone said, don't drink her potions. She'll kiss your neck with no emotion. When she's mean, you know you love
You can feel free to add some lashes if you like. I don't usually like wearing false lashes, but these are the glueless underneath your eyelashes, fake eyelashes, and they go on so seamlessly. They're so easy and they do make such a huge difference. And I like them so much better than those full-size eyelashes. Finishing up the look with some setting spray. This is the Milk setting spray. And that's it for my video today, you guys. I really hope that you found some of these makeup products and tips helpful. If you like this video, then definitely subscribe for more videos just like this one, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.